Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently in medical school step by step. Start by creating a weekly plan that maps lectures, labs, and exam dates to study blocks so you stay ahead. Prioritize high-yield topics and set specific goals for each session. Rotate active recall, spaced repetition, and practice questions throughout the week. Track progress and adjust your plan every Sunday to stay realistic and avoid burnout while building consistent habits. Use active learning to convert passive reading into durable knowledge by alternating techniques within each study block. Create concise flashcards and review them with spaced repetition for durable recall. Explain complex topics aloud or teach a classmate to expose weak understanding. Finish sessions with timed practice questions to test retrieval under pressure. Reflect on errors, annotate resources, and adjust future sessions to focus on persistent gaps for steady improvement. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I recently enjoyed a book that changes how you think about money, which pairs well with long-term study planning by freeing mental bandwidth for learning. It makes a great companion for students managing finances. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Manage your time by designing realistic blocks that match your attention span and clinical responsibilities. Use Pomodoro cycles for deep focus, with short breaks that prevent cognitive fatigue and one restorative day off weekly. Batch similar tasks like reading, question banks, and note consolidation to minimize context switching. Keep a simple tracker of completed blocks and revise estimates based on actual performance, which helps refine your plan and reduces last-minute cramming before exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.